Alright, so in this video we want to learn how to print our flyers design in different sizes. So we'll be learning how to differentiate the sizes and how to get the sizes of each flyers. Okay, so firstly, before we can go into this, we have to know different sizes for printing each design. So we have this flyer size, we have this flyer size, and we also have an A3 flyer size. Okay, so this particular flyer size is called the A4 flyer size. It's not actually a flyer size, but it's an A4 flyer size, depending on what your client wants. Okay, we are also using it as an example. We have to know all the sizes all the same. Okay, it is used for printing. As we all know, it's a common paper that we know. Alright, so it is used for photocopy in cafe and all that. So it is called an A4 paper size. You can use this for burial poster design, marriage poster design, and also for certificates. Alright, so this is a certificate here, and it is an A4 paper size used to print this certificate. Okay, so when you slant the certificate size, when you slant it to the other side, you will see that it's an A4 paper size. Okay, so this is how you will know that this is an A4 paper size used. Right, so if you're using a Pixel Lab to design, okay, so you can convert this A4 paper size to pixel, because the unit of measurement in Pixel Lab is pixel. Alright, and to do this, you open your browser and type in A4 paper size in pixel. Alright, and it will bring up the size. Okay, so this is the converted size in pixel that we are going to type in your image size inside Pixel Lab. Alright, this is the converted size you will use to design your flyer. Alright, if you know you are printing in an A4 size, you will type in this in pixel, and you can also do the same in Canva too. Canva has different sizes, pixel sizes, millimeters, centimeters, inches. Alright, so if you are designing in pixel, you use the same figure, you type it in the image size, and then you start your design, and then you're good to go. Alright, now when you slant your A4 paper and you double it, okay, like this is two A4 paper size slanted and joined together into two. So when it is joined together like this, then it is an A3 paper size. Okay, A3 paper size is double of A4 paper. Alright, and it can be used for marriage posters too. Some use it for a very small banner. Okay, so these are the things you can use it for. Alright, so the next is the A5 paper size. Alright, so you can actually get this when you fold up your A4 paper. Alright, that A4 paper, when you fold it into two, like joining two parts together, then you get an A5 paper size. Alright, so that is an A5 paper size, joining the A4 paper into two. That is by folding it. So by doing that, it is an A5 paper size. This is an illustration of what I am explaining of the A5 paper size. Alright, so when it is folded together, it is an A5 paper size, but when it is open, it is an A4 paper size. So do you get it? It is half of an A4 paper size when you fold the A4 paper together, or you tear one part of the A4 paper. It is called the A5 paper size. Okay, so you can use it for church flyers, business flyers, handbills, and so on. So it's the same size we use for marriage invitation and also jotters. If you have a client that wants to do jotter, you can design and print in A5 paper size. Now half of an A5 paper size is what we call the A6 paper size. That is, when we fold the A5 into two, when we bifold it, it is called the A6 paper size, and you can use this for smaller marriage invitation, baby dedication, or one or two invitation cards. So I'll say it again on how you can convert your sizes. You just type in your Google, can do that, or any of your browsers. Type in your A6, A5, A4 or A3 paper size and it will be converted. Then use those sizes in either your Pixel Lab or your Canva app and start your design. So I hope I've been able to convince you that printing out your designs is actually very easy. All you have to do is to know the various sizes on each designs you want to print out, alright? And after you're done, you go to your printer shop or anywhere you can print it and give them your design. Note that you don't have to tell them that can they design with your smartphone, can they print out a smartphone design. You don't have to tell them that, because those that don't know about designing with smartphone will tell you no. So all you have to do is to give them your design and let them print it out for you, as long as you're sure that you did the right thing, and they will print out your design for you and you're good to go. Okay.